Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. So this presentation is for third International Conference on Business, Technology, Tourism, Education, Engineering, Culture and Social Science 2020. The title of my presentation is Development of Women Safety Applications. My full name is Mazlina binti Mak Mustafa from Jabatan Teknologi Maklumat dan Komunikasi Politeknik Engku Omar, Perak, Malaysia. This is the content of my presentation. Consists of 12 elements. The first one is an abstract, second is an introduction, and then problem statement, fourth about an objective, and then literature review, after that methodology, and then design and development, next the implementation, and then testing result, after that the finding, and the conclusion, and the last part is the references. This is an abstract for this study. Next is an introduction. Sexual harassment constitutes an important area of academic inquiry across a wide range of scholarly fields, including psychology, sociology, women's studies, criminology, law, and social policy, as well as geography. Reported that the Malaysia Crime Statistic Report 2020 show that rape and assault crimes increased in 2019. According to the Asian Post team report for the Asian Post, based on the Royal Police Malaysia PDRM statistic in between 2013 and 2017. 79% is female victim and 21% is male victim. For a problem statement, difficult in seeking intermediate help during emergency, normally a person will be having difficulty to notify their environment during the critical situation. Thus, this helps serve an important tool to our women whereby their environment could notify in an emergency situation with just a single button. For an objective, this study aims to help and contribute a better life to all communities and users, and then to distract criminal using just click button that has a sound alert in colors, and then to seeking immediate help during emergency, and then to activating the annoying sound to distract offending focus, and then to connect with other public safety officials such as police and all women action society, and then as a method that can be taken as a precaution, and then to spread awareness regarding sexual harassment to user. For literature review, this study analyzes 3 apps. The first app is SOS Alert. Second app is SOS Indian Woman Safety. Third app is Read Panic Button Application. And then we do a comparison. For methodology, we use the rapid application development because the method of implementing information system can suit the needs of the user. This methodology is chosen because it allows fast implementation of the system in a real development. Besides that, this methodology can be developed quickly with significant cost saving and understand the application flow easily. For design and development, this is a function decomposition diagram, and entity relationship diagram. For implementation and result, the first part is splash screen SAP safety applications. So this is the first page user will see after open SAP mobile application. So this splash screen will take 3 seconds to open the main page. And then this is the main page of SAP, consists of 6 main menu. The first menu is for emergency call, second is fake caller, third is all women action society, fourth is a siren alert, and then learn safe defense, and the last menu is flashlight. Next, about Earth. This is the About Us page that explains about what is SAP safety application created for. And then this is in a navigator drawer, consists of Home, Learn Safe Defense, All Women Action Society, About the Apps, Share the Apps, and Contact Us. Next is about Menu of Learn Safe Defense and menu of fake callers. Next section is about fake calling menu, and then flashlight menu. Next is about All Women Action Society menu. This page contains all information about Awam that's known as NGO. 2 buttons to call Awam if the user needs help from them. And then next menu is SOS, is siren alert. And then for testing results, consists of unit testing plan, integration testing plan, and user accepted test. And the result is 100% pass. Next is about finding and advantages of this study. First, easy to use. Easy to use because this application has a user-friendly interface. For example, all the functions are on the main page of the application. So, user only need to select the function that they want to use. Not only that, obviously the user is easier to understand because all the functions are placed in one place, and each function has an icon that describes the type of its function. Second, connect with other public safety officials. User able to communicate with other public safety officials, for example, that you can call the police by using the emergency call button. Not only that, user can also contact with all the Women's Action Society Awam regarding sexual harassment cases. Third, prevent bad things. It has an emergency alarm sound or police siren to prevent the possibility of an attempt by an unwanted intruder. And then, spread awareness. This application can spread awareness regarding sexual harassment by having the information what is sexual harassment and so on. Next part is a conclusion. So as a conclusion, this safety application is a project that related to personal experience that women have faced, the problem they are experiencing, such as sexual harassment, insecurity, and others that make them scared to go to the public. Women or anyone who live in this world has the right to feel safe wherever they are. With the application, they can go anywhere they want without hesitation. Everyone can install and use it regardless of age and gender. Functions that we implement in our apps are siren audio, fake callers, emergency call, and flashlight. like. Not only that, one of the special features in the application is an information about self-defense. Besides that, the information about sexual harassment that comes from one of the NGO in Malaysia known as AWAM or Women's Action Society, which can help about sexual harassment, mental issue, domestic, and etc. And this is the references that we use for this study. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you very much. Bye bye.